Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I went to my Dollar Tree looking for some mesh and this is what I found. I wanted the black and white, the checked ones, and I think that's what this is. Now these are Christmas ones, like, they're old stock, so they're bringing this out of their warehouse. Yeah, this is the one I want. I wasn't quite sure. It looked kind of odd, especially this one. Let me look at it. Hopefully it's all here. I can't even access it. It's really weird the way it is wrapped. Oh, look at that. What is wrong with this mesh? It's been overstretched. I wonder if I let it sit for a bit, it'll straighten it back out. I don't know. But yeah, this is what I was looking for. I need it for a wreath project. So yeah, I think I can straighten it back out if I like. But I would have to go through the whole roll just to straighten up a little bit. But I have nothing better to do. Oh, wait a minute. Never mind. I thought it was cut. It's not too bad. It's ready to go. It's just at the beginning, it is all wonky. But yeah, it'll work. For what I have in mind, that is. Okay, now that I made a mess of it, I'm going to put it aside. But yeah, I found 3. I think I have some in my supply box. I'll have to go take a look. Hopefully, because I need at least 6 of these rolls of mesh for my project. So hopefully I have it. I picked up 2 of these storage containers. They are part of the teaching tree corner, and these are good for pencils and markers, so, or any long like brushes you have, paint brushes. It's a great size. So I picked up 2 of these, and then I picked up some journals. Look at this, cute, right? Do more of what you love, it says. And then this one says yikes. This one just says journal. And this one's yellow with like blue flowers maybe. It says notes. I picked these up for the papers inside. But look at that, how cute. So once I use the paper, I can use the covers for something else. But look at these. Can you tell? They are like a dotted paper. And then I plan to use this in like journals. So that one was, this one was like a teal color. And then this one is gray. Look at this. Cute, right? I like it. And then, let's see, this one is pink with smiley faces, but I mean, I can work around that. Not a problem. And then this one is purple. I like that one. It's got flowers and hearts on the edges if you like, but I'll work around that one too. I only picked up 1 journal each. I really should have picked up 2 of each one, but I'll eventually go back and grab some more. And then I also decided to pick up some more of these. These are the iron-on sheets by Crafter Square, and I picked up the holographic ones. I picked up 6 of them. And let's see. These are 5.5 by 9.25 inches. I mean, this will work really well if you want to like cover a book with it, you know, or you can just cut it out and you know, cut out shapes if you like. You can do whatever you want with it. Or, you know, use it for what it's designed for. Iron it onto your clothes. And then I also picked up this one. So Dollar Tree or Jot has these journaling kits. I picked up the cover sheets here. It says notebooks, and you get two pieces, just the front and the back cover, I'm sure. See there? Here's the front cover. It says notebook, and the back cover. And this is vinyl. Can you hear? So, you know, if you spill something on it, you can wipe it off. This is cute. I was thinking it was paper, so I only picked up one. I need to go grab some more. Now, they have a couple of other designs, but I really like this one. So, I picked this up for me. I want to make myself like a daily planner, and I want to use this, and I'm just going to cover that up and put something else right there. But and then they already have the cuts on the end. See the holes? Nice, right? So I need to grab some more. I like this vinyl. So I got that one. And then they had these expansion disc, and then these work with these pieces here, all the journal pieces. So I picked up two of this, like the pale teal colors, and you get 12 discs in here, and it's 1 by 1 inch, a set of 10, and it holds up to 150 sheets. See there? Cute, right? I love the colors. So, and then they have this. It's like a lilac color. Cute, right? And then, let's see. They had the black one too. So I picked up two of those. And I picked up, I guess I only picked up one pink. I thought I had two, but this is the colors that they have. So they got the teal, the pink, the violet, and the black. But yeah, I need another one of these. You know, sometimes you grab things and then they fall through the shopping cart, so it's possible that's what happened. Or, you know, I was grabbing things and putting stuff back. I might have accidentally added back, because I accidentally grabbed too much of one and putting some back, and, you know, lost track of which colors I had. But this is a really cute idea. I like this. I'm glad that Dollar Tree decided to give us these little journaling discs. You know, you can find them at your craft store, but they're going to cost more, right? So if you see these, grab them up. I can't get over this. It's actually vinyl. So cute. And then the last item I picked up is one of these phone stands. I had bought one. I don't know what I did with it. I misplaced it, so I had to buy me another one. I bought it so I can take it to work, and then if I need to prop my phone up, I could use it. I have no idea. It just like disappeared. So now that I got this one, it will probably show up. Isn't that how it works? You know, you misplace something and then you search and search and nothing until you get a new one. And then it's like, here I am. I like this one, this llama. They do have other versions of this one, but I like this one. It is adorable. So you take this, and you slide, there's slots right here, so you just slide this in there, right? Oh wait, I have it backwards, from the back to the front. And then you take your phone, put it on there like that. Oh, look how cute, right? So adorable. So that is everything that I picked up from Dollar Tree this week. And they're still putting out back to school items at a couple of my stores. So I'm going to go back and take a look to see what else that they have. I put mine together. Look at this. I put the teal disc on. So you only use 8 of these discs on the cover sheet from Dollar Tree. So you'll have the extra 2 that you'll need to store somewhere safe. I like this. I'm going to cover where it says notebook. I'm going to put my own label on. But see there? I like it. And then here's the image sheet on the back side. You know, the back cover. So if you buy 2 of these and put them front and back, like, you know, with this sheet here, that'll look really cute too, right? I like it. I'm glad that they gave us a disc to match the cover sheets. But, you know, when you go to your Dollar Tree, take a look, and hopefully they have some of these in stock so you can pick them up. I hope that you find everything you have on your wish list when you go to Dollar Tree. And thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.